So we are heading off to, where are we going? Casuarina Coastal Reserve. We're heading off to Casuarina Coastal Reserve right now. It's late afternoon on a Sunday, and we're going to go and do some wildlife bird photography, wander around, see what we can find, and hopefully get some good images. I'll see if I can do a bit more video footage once we're there and have a bit of a look around. Speed bump.
I might go left and see if we can park up here somewhere.
Okay.
And walk down the beach, or
Yeah,
what do you reckon?
Yeah, walk along the beach, huh? Sounds like the go. Just going to come down around this corner. What birds are they again, Kath?
Striated pardalots, I think.
Pardalots.
Oh, maybe not, I don't know.
I can't believe you got those shots that quickly.
Yeah, I don't know that I had the settings on right though, so. Let's just see. Oh, I'm not going to look there. Need to turn that setting off.
So as we were making our way along the footpath along the coastal reserve track, every now and then you come across these little side tracks that go off into the bush, and when you wander into there, they're great little spots. They're quite shady, almost like a rainforesty setting, and quite often you'll see animals and birds and sometimes reptiles in there. So we were pretty lucky to spot that pair of nesting pardalots as soon as we arrived on the beach. And then we moved down the beach a bit further to some little sand dunes, and in the sand dunes there were a couple of trees that had fallen down, that died and fallen over, and luckily enough there was quite a few rainbow bee eaters feeding in there. So yeah, we were both able to get some really nice images of those birds. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I know my videos are not very polished, they're a bit basic, but they will get better, and we will have more content, more footage and more photographs of birds and wildlife. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Cheers.